Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to activate Cash App card without QR code. So guys, today I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to do this. So this will work on Apple or Android device. So just follow the steps that I'm going to show you on the screen. So first, just tap on the card icon, and from here guys, tap the image of your cash card, and a pop-up will come up, and simply tap on activate cash card. And then from there, guys, instead of using camera, tap the missing QR code button. And then after that, select use CVV instead. And then enter in the CVV code and the expiration date of your new cash card. And you're done. That is how to activate Cash App card without QR code. And there you go, guys. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See ya.